Welsh gardener. In this video, this is an introductory video to a new series I'm doing over winter, which is me restoring this old rotavator. As you can see by the logo, this is a Tecumseh engine, which is over 30 years old, and so is the whole tiller. Now this, I think, from what I've researched, is about 5.5 horsepower. Now the make of the tiller itself is a Templar tiller, Professional 400. Now, I don't really know much about this really, because there's not much online about it. So I'm just going to have to try and figure it out as I go along. There were two attachments which came with it, are these tines, and then there's also a plough with some wheels which ploughs potato furrows. Some of the things which are going to be replaced are the belt under here, a V-belt. There's also, we need to change the oil on it, clean the engine, paint this whole frame, and we also need to grease the inside here, but there's a grease gun point here. I also need to change the spark plug, change the head gasket, and also change all of the fuel lines and change the cable ties and hose clamps for some Jubilee clips which I have. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you next time.